enrolled for years. Oromo kosokorom. Oromo. Party ODM, Madam.
Thank you very much, Jochama Mar ODM. ODM! So we are here today to welcome our interim party leader of the largest party, south of Sahara and north of River Limpopo, the party called ODM. Before I say a word or two, let me invite our colleague governor from Migori, Governor Ochila Ayako Pindra, to also say a word.
Wanachama ODM. Mko tayari? Asante sana. Mine is just to say congratulations to our party leader. Now the movement has begun to move. Asanteni sana. Let's move together.
Thank you. The movement has begun to move. Thank you very much. And I'd like to say, as the national chairman of the party, that our party leader, we will support you, we will work with you. You are tried and tested. You are the original and the founding Secretary General of the ODM party. You know where this movement has come from. You know the challenges that we have gone through. You know our ideology inside out. We are not afraid to say that in your hands, this party will only grow to greater and greater heights. So we are going to be looking up to you for your guidance. But what I want to tell the party members, Joturwa, Odwa and ODM. This is what we have. This is our house. This is what we will build. We are not confused at all. ODM stands alone as a party that is a movement for the people. We are social democrats. We will speak for the people. We will stand with the people. We will move with the people. And we will stand under the guidance of Raila Odinga, having left for us now Peter Anyang Nyong'o. Anyang ka Nyong'o ni dongo nge party ni inside out. Donge ne mano chake. Donge ne moge kumodhiye. Kawane lweto bu wuotho kode pata gidhoto gimanya kangisu ni okwanyal we chama wa. Bekik ng'ato kel confusion mora ni wane sirikal. Onge sirikal ma wane iye. Wan wachung kaka chama mar ODM. Election mabiro, in the coming election, we hope that our party will sweep seats, starting from MCAs, MPs, governors, senators, and we are not going to leave any seat, including the presidency of this country. The ODM party is moving forward, asanteni sana, and let me use this opportunity now to welcome our party leader, Peter Anyang Nyong'o Professor, to speak to us. His Excellency, asante sana.
ODM. ODM. Thank you very much. First of all, I'd like to thank my chairman, Mama Gladys Wanga, my colleagues in the Kisumu County, led today by Mama Rosa Buyu, and all the MPs who are here, Duma Ward is here, and all the party leaders, Ochila Ayako is here, my fellow governor. I am happy. Dr. Nyikali is here, Chairman Maduol, and Oron Gundol. And I see all the MCs, Madonga Dunyangirika. Eru Kamano, thank you very much. I am humbled indeed, I want to say before the whole nation, that I'm really humbled that my party leader with whom we have walked the journey for a long time, Raila Odinga, found it in his heart to give me the responsibility of leading this party when they go to the AU. I want to thank him sincerely. Although I'm the interim party leader, ile party interim makojolo kama. Mimi najola lakini nitafika ama simre. Lazima ninjolre ama sivyo. But if I have your support, I know that these big shoes that have been given to wear, I will travel with you together. This party has always gone through difficult times, very difficult times, harassment by the state, detention of its leaders. And I remember when the party leader was recalling this when we were on the South Coast. Was it the North Coast? The North Coast, in fact. For the Coast Delegates Congress, he wept. In the Bible, it is said somewhere, and Jesus wept. Go and get the verse. And why did Jesus weep? He wept because he was thankful that God has preserved him up to this point in time to lead Kenyans in this struggle for the second liberation. The end of the second liberation is not yet seen. The second liberation is still a journey. And some of the things that we have stood for all these years have been realized, like the new constitution. But the constitution is just a framework of vision, principles, laws, and commitments. The test of a constitution is when it changes the lives of the people in line with the principles, the laws, and the commitments therein stated. So we have the responsibility to continue the struggle while the party chairman, party leader is away, to make sure that we don't deviate in any way. We shall not deviate if we as leaders hang together and hold together. Masivyo? ODM! ODM! We shall not deviate if the people of Kenya keep having their trust in us. Wale ambao wanajitolea muhanga kuhakikisha ya kwamba Wakenya watapata huduma wa kutosha. Kwa sababu viongozi ni viongozi kamili. And you all can only be true to your colors if your deeds and your commitments are seen. And therefore I'm asking the ODM leaders who have always given the example of dedication, commitment, that they continue to do so. That in this chama and this party, there's no room for selfishness. We are all comrades, we are all together, we are all equal as those who are serving the people while God gives us time to do so. And when we see the land over there dry, whether in northeastern or the coast and so on, we shall send our emissaries and join with our brothers and sisters in the struggle together to strengthen the party. Therefore, do not be afraid, as the home of ODM, to be committed to go to Rise of Kenya and make sure that we work together for this party, which is destined, and I'm saying so, is destined to rule this country. It is destined to rule this country. And we can see generation after generation coming and being prepared to rule this country. We were the first generation of the second in the second liberation. But I can see new faces, new propagandists. And all these people, Aduma were on there. Aduma, yes, sir. Aduma actually was one of us. Yeah. But he was a younger version of ourselves. So they will continue. I'm confident that the people who are here will work together not to disappoint the party leader in the building of this party, in the salvation that we need for this nation, so that every Kenyan, wherever he is, feel that he or she is a Kenyan, entitled to good life, entitled to justice, entitled to dignity, entitled human recognition. ODM! ODM! Asanteni sana.